Social distancing and staying home are the best ways to limit the spread of COVID-19. But if you must go out, make sure you cover your face. You can use anything that covers your nose and mouth, including dust masks, scarves, and bandanas. But leave the surgical masks and N95s for healthcare workers. When you wear a cloth mask, it should fit snugly against the side of your face. Be secured with ties or ear loops. Include multiple layers of fabric. Allow for breathing without restriction. And be able to be laundered and machine dried without damage. When putting on and taking off a mask, only touch the ties or ear straps. Don't touch the front of the mask. And wash your hands after touching it. Remember, masks slow the spread when you must go out. But staying home and social distancing are the best ways to protect yourself and others. For more information, visit mass.gov/COVID-19.